Which of these amenities is listed as a reason for community interdependence? A. Transportation. B. Healthcare. C. Communication. D. Electricity. The correct answer is D. Electricity. What is identified as a factor contributing to women's limited opportunities in education? A. Availability of scholarships for girls. B. Increased focus on vocational training. C. Low retention rate and high dropout rate. D. High enrollment of girls in schools. The correct answer is C. Low retention rate and high dropout rate. What is the term for subjects where both central and state governments can make laws? A. Dual list. B. Combined list. C. Shared list. D. Concurrent list. The correct answer is D. Concurrent list. Can the Chief Minister introduce bills in the Legislative Assembly? A. Only members of the opposition can. B. No, only the governor can. C. Yes, he can. D. Bills are introduced by the President. The correct answer is C. Yes, he can. Which of the following is not listed as a salient feature related to taxes? A. House tax. B. Entertainment tax. C. Taxes for connection of drinking water. D. Professional tax. The correct answer is B. Entertainment tax. What concept did the Constitution of India introduce regarding citizenship? A. Federal citizenship. B. State-specific citizenship. C. Single citizenship. D. Dual citizenship. The correct answer is C. Single citizenship. Who responded to the concern about the judiciary in the Constituent Assembly? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. C. Sardar Patel. D. Jawaharlal Nehru. The correct answer is B. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. What is the nature of a standing cabinet committee? A. Ad hoc. B. Permanent. C. Advisory. D. Temporary. The correct answer is B. Permanent. How does Vimlan respond when asked if everyone teased Kavin? A. He confirms it. B. He stands quietly. C. He denies it. D. He utters a word. The correct answer is B. He stands quietly. Who assigns work related to urban revenue and functions based on council decisions? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Elders under trees. C. The commissioner or officers. D. The teacher. The correct answer is C. The commissioner or officers. Who is mentioned in the text alongside the first meeting of the Assembly? A. Sardar Patel. B. Mahatma Gandhi. C. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. D. Jawaharlal Nehru. The correct answer is C. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. What right allows citizens to actively participate in political life? A. Right to education. B. Right to property. C. Right to privacy. D. Universal adult franchise. The correct answer is D. Universal adult franchise. What does the horse represent? A. Courage. B. Energy. C. Peace. D. Independence. The correct answer is B. Energy. Which city in India is an important pilgrimage destination alongside the Four Dhams? A. Kolkata. B. Mumbai. C. Delhi. D. Varanasi. The correct answer is D. Varanasi. What is the stated purpose of the East Asia Summit, EAS? A. To cover trade and investments. B. To achieve unity based on common objectives. C. To promote peace and stability. D. To facilitate energy cooperation. The correct answer is C. To promote peace and stability. What is the meaning of thriving? A. Buying people. B. Very lively and profitable. C. A household task. D. To hurt someone. The correct answer is B. Very lively and profitable. What does India offer annually to deserving Sri Lankan students? A. Research grants. B. Exchange programs. C. Internships. D. Scholarship slots. The correct answer is D. Scholarship slots. The Indian Home Guard functions as an auxiliary to which organization? A. Indian Police. B. Indian Army. C. Border Security Force. D. Central Reserve Police Force. The correct answer is A. Indian Police. Which country serves as India's land bridge to the ASEAN nations? A. Nepal. B. Bangladesh. C. Myanmar. D. Sri Lanka. The correct answer is C. Myanmar. What is the final appellate court in the country? A. International Court of Justice. B. District Court. C. High Court. D. Supreme Court. The correct answer is D. Supreme Court. What does the Ministry of Transport and Highways observe every year to strengthen road safety awareness? A. Driver Training Campaign. B. Road Safety Week. C. Traffic Management Day. D. Road Safety Month. The correct answer is B. Road Safety Week. What is the nature of the National Cadet Corps organization? A. A mandatory conscription program. B. A professional military branch. C. A voluntary organization. D. A private security firm. The correct answer is C. A voluntary organization. In the context of the Indian legal system, what is the Supreme Court considered besides the guardian of the Constitution? A. The primary legislative body. B. The executive power. C. The highest court of appeal. D. The financial auditor. The correct answer is C. The highest court of appeal. What is the maximum period a person can be appointed chief minister without being a member of the state legislature? A. 2 years. B. 6 months. C. 1 year. D. 3 months. The correct answer is B. 6 months. How many major types of party systems exist? A. 5. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. The correct answer is C. 3. Besides fundamental rights, what other aspect of citizens is covered in the learning objectives regarding the Constitution? A. Their religious beliefs. B. Their political party affiliation. C. Their duties. D. Their economic status. The correct answer is C. Their duties. Which rights are described as the basic human rights of all citizens? A. Fundamental rights. B. Voting rights. C. Directive principles. D. Executive responsibilities. The correct answer is A. Fundamental rights. In what year was the local self-government introduced in India? A. 1857. Born in 1905. Circa 1947. D. 1882. The correct answer is D. 1882. A short note is requested on which specific type of bill? A. Constitutional Amendment Bill. B. Finance Bill. C. Money Bill. D. Ordinary Bill. The correct answer is C. Money Bill. Which of the following is listed as a basic democratic value? A. Ambition. B. Accountability. C. Conformity. D. Secrecy. The correct answer is B. Accountability. How did you score?